Welcome to another awesome video.
We got these speakers. They are, it looks like Jamo, but I think it's actually pronounced Jamo, like the Michael McDonald song, Jamo Be There.
If I hear Jamo Be There one more time, I'm going to Jamo burn this place to the ground.
There's a lot of information about these speakers on YouTube and lots of reviews, but we got them for you because they're a lot nicer than just your typical computer speakers, and they sound pretty good. They've got good inputs, so they've got digital inputs from the computer, they've got analog inputs, you could hook up a turntable or something else, and it's also got Bluetooth. So these could be the basis of a small stereo system. You're in high school now, you could take them to college. They already have a lot of bass by themselves, but we got the Jamo Sub, the Jamo Sub 210. Now, like, I think if you buy this sub on Amazon, it's like $150. I found it for $41 on a thrift store and it was new in the box. I mean, it was just the thrift store just opened it to verify something was in the box. It was sealed, and they just opened it up, and it looks like it's new. So we're gonna hook it up and see how it works, if it makes a difference in the bass. Get that out of there. What's in there? Open that thing up. What's that?
Cable.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like a pretty lengthy cable to hook up the coax out on the back of the other speaker. This is the subwoofer. The speaker's on the bottom. It's down firing, so you don't want to be. You want to be careful not to touch that. We've got, what do we got on the back? We've got our level, got our cutoff, our phase, and we could also set this on auto, so it should automatically turn on and off when you turn it on your speakers. Now it does have line in left and right. We're going to look at the manual, make sure we don't need to just hook that up to, like, one's a mono jack or something, because I think it only came with one cable. Pretty hefty. Looks like it's going to match your speakers. Got a little light on the front. Yeah. Let's hook it up. All right, it's going. All right, that's off, so the bass goes away. Let's turn it back on. What do you think? Can you tell the difference with the subwoofer? Yes? Yes, you could tell the difference, huh? Wow. I guess we need to adjust this, make sure the crossover frequency is right, but we can definitely tell the difference, right?
Yeah.
The frequency response of the Jamo 801 PMs bottoms out, according to what I found online, at 76 hertz. So go ahead, you're playing a 76 hertz tone over that. So our crossover here is from 40 to 100, so let's turn that up a little bit and turn it on, see if it adds in the bass here. Give it a second to come on. Yeah, oh yeah, definitely adds the bass. Stop it. Go down to like 40 hertz. And then that's the lower end of this subwoofer. Play that tone. All right, oh, let's turn it off. So you almost get nothing out of those. So the subwoofer definitely scientifically here makes a difference. We just got to figure out how to adjust this properly, get all the levels right, and we'll stick it on the floor. But I think it's going to make your computer sound the
Yeah. The next thing I need to do is make the computer faster.
Oh, well, that's another video. Well, that's about it. So far, we've hooked up the Jamo 210 sub with the 801s, and music sounds pretty good. So that's about it.
See you next time for another awesome video. Bye.